Hello everyone, my name is Hwa Chong.
I'm Lim Jiarui.
And today we'll be making stir-fried beef.
For our ingredients, we have our beef, our garlic, and our bell pepper.
For our seasonings to marinate the beef, we have sesame oil, MSG, oyster sauce, black pepper, salt, and light soy sauce. So now I bought some already cut up beef for stir-fry. It should be around this thickness. I can't see, you see. It's really tender also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water to tenderize it even more. So now I have the beef here. I'm going to add seasonings. I have soy sauce here, a bit of soy sauce. Make sure you pour it carefully. You can pour into a bowl or spoon previously if you're a bit scared. A bit of soy sauce. Black pepper. Some black pepper. Then here I got some oyster sauce. It's oyster sauce with a bit of water in it, because I have very little left. And yes, that's okay. So now I'm going to be cutting the bell pepper. So what I did is I pushed the head inside and just cut off the side like this. Be careful. You can see there's no seeds here at all. So now all the seeds are here. Go to the sink or go to the trash and just hit it out. You can see the head is full of seeds. These seeds are really hard to remove because it's really small, and if there's water on it, it gets slimy. So you cannot wash it also. So now I remove all the bell pepper seeds inside. I washed it up clean. You see, it's all clean now. It's a really simple trick to do it. And now I'm just gonna cut it up in strips because that's what I'm gonna be doing for my beef. Just cut it in strips. Round strips like this. And this size will be good. This thickness. So now that you've cut finished the bell peppers, it should look something like this. This thickness. This is really good. So now I cut the vegetables. I'm gonna take the garlic and mince it up. For this, okay, for garlic, right, it's really simple. You take it, you cut lines along it like this. Be careful with your hands. Cut it like this. You can see it's like cut lines along this. Then what you want to do is you want to do the same thing over here. This is a test of your knife work. And now you can just mince it. Just mince it like this. If you want, you can take a mincer or like a strainer or something just to just cut it easily. But like, I'll use a knife. Like this, you see, the garlic is minced. Okay now. So now we have our sauce here. I'm going to be adding a bit of MSG. Just a little bit, not too much, because we have soy sauce. We have a lot of salty things going on already. We have a bit of sesame oil here. I added a bit of soy sauce already. But sesame oil, this to make it smell good and taste good. And here we have a little bit of sugar. Just a little bit of sugar. You can use dark soy sauce to replace the sugar if you want, because it gives a bit of a sweet taste too. Now last a bit of white pepper. This is optional. White pepper is optional. It's really optional. It's up to you if you like it or not. Okay. Now I'm going to heat up the pan, the wok a little bit. Add a little bit of oil on the sides. Just let it heat up. Now garlic goes in. Something like this. Saute the garlic a little bit. Let the aroma really come out. Be careful, the garlic will stick onto your handle like this. Just scrape it off. It's that simple. Now add in the beef. Let's try the first one. Just frying up the beef right now. Now that the beef is around half cooked, a bit more half cooked, 60%, 70%, I'm adding the bell peppers. And then slowly fry it. So the beef is basically cooked. I'm adding the sauce now. Sauce that we previously. See all the water at the bottom. It's good with rice. This is like, it's like flavored. It kind of just thickens up itself also. It's like a sauce. And now you can just taste accordingly. If it's too salty, add a bit of water. If it's not that salty, add a bit more salt or soy sauce. It's up to you.